and human welfare. Biology and human welfare. Biology and human welfare. In previous class, we see the sewage treatment process. There are three types of sewage treatment process. First is primary treatment, that is known as physical process. Second is secondary treatment. It is known as uh, microbial degradation or biological process. Third is tertiary treatment. Then we can see today uh, role of microbes in production of biogas. Microbes microbes in microbes in production of biogas. Microbes in production of biogas. Production of biogas. Then we will see the production of biogas. The production of biogas. First, the gases produced by the gases produced by anaerobic anaerobic breakdown breakdown of breakdown of cellulosic C E double L U L O S I C cellulosic materials cellulosic materials cellulosic materials for the activity for the we can see today the microbes in biology and human welfare. In that we can see microbes in production of biogas. The gases produced by an aerobic breakdown of cellulosic material. For the next we will see for the for the activity for the activity of bacteria bacteria for the activity of bacteria is known as is known as biogas is known as biogas. in production of biogas. The gases are produced by an aerobic breakdown of cellulosic material for for activity of bacteria is known as biogas. Production of microbes in uh, microbes in production of biogas. Then next we will see uh, some bacteria, some bacteria, some bacteria are involved are involved in the production of in the production of biogas. Production of biogas. Like then we will see today the microbes in production of biogas. In next class we will continue the next part of production of biogas. Then we will see the what is biogas and one another point about the microbes in production of biogas. Then bye friends. Like, share and subscribe this video. This chapter is biology and human welfare. Bye. We will see today the microbes in production of biogas. We see today what is biogas, definition of biogas. The gases produced by an aerobic breakdown of cellulosic material for activity of bacteria is known as biogas. Bye friends, like, share and subscribe this video. In next class, we will continue the microbes in production of biogas. Second part of that we will see. Then bye. Like, share and subscribe this video.